Go home happy with the 2023 Nissan Ariya. Prepare to take your driving pleasure to new heights and enjoy the best of modern efficiency and style. You'll love the advanced safety features, quiet cabin, and responsive handling this vehicle has to offer. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: lane departure warning, panoramic roof, keyless entry, navigation system, sun, moonroof, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, power passenger seat, fog lamps, power liftgate. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.